Connecting Tim Hortons to Apple Wallet is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To add your Tim Hortons gift card to Apple Wallet, open the Tim Hortons application on your Apple device. Here, navigate to the section where your Tim Hortons gift card is displayed. Look for an option to add the card to Apple Wallet. If you don't see an option to add the card to Apple Wallet in the Tim Hortons application, you may need to go through the mobile Safari and log into the timhortons.com website with your credentials. Wait for the transaction to process. You might receive a notification or see a check mark on your device indicating a successful payment. Keep in mind that the availability of Apple Pay and specific integration with Tim Hortons can vary by location and over time. If you encounter any issues or have specific questions, it's recommended to check with Tim Hortons customer support or visit their official website.